friends tuning in this morning. You say Bulubanak and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Iyo.
Another week, another new week, and the days ahead. Kaya na maruta ito na Songole Buni Fiji Showcase 2025, which started last Friday. Kaya nandotal na madobo and sa babatay ng unonggo na FNPF Retirement Savings Monday.
Wow!
And singo binang ni kuwa.
Right.
Membalita ka nabika membaliti ko. Ano mo na retire ko ano mo takataka.
Di na sana.
Takataka nga. O kamusi labo ti ko en taban ni musi labo.
Right.
Era non daburo na FNPF ngono na singa. Binagsar ka menda ti kina. Daki vitalo takanabika membaliti kenda.
Right.
En ngauna and sa gasi may kina.
Yeah.
Dono ba kami nak?
Well, good morning to each and everyone this morning, even though it's a very cold and windy and cloudy Monday. It's a very good start, slow start, but we are thankful to the up above for another life, for another atmosphere, for another breathing, for another feeling, so that we can feel something. Some of us, unfortunate, they are not here with us today.
Close up.
They are in some other world, but we are thankful.
Refreshment.
Kada.
Kita postungo ro sika tunia balo mika ngaya balo jugo.
Iyo. Betul ko sa sinma dalau kelas antur masim mai.
Okay, set kasi chico bitu chico. Bitu chico mai.
Wanu ni binak. Kemarin rutin bikin ni sama tumai hen nama takani ko be Marine. Thank you so much. Wanu ni binak tal tungaya ni be Jos. Watal ngakina be Rolling Stone. Big bulu binaka and a very good morning to you. This wonderful and tremendous morning.
Era benar bikin ni lebih bitu ni sama cuma besi berbura.
Right.
Go sadaru fridge tu kan daru. Ombi kan saya balo chico set juga kan tu. Era benar bikin ni lebih bitu yang bu ni ngol botak dak di sama cuma besi berbura. Ni yang dari mata binaka yang bu tapi ngadi borong bur mikina. So sada kata chico ngono goena iroro ni wanga buka lebu mai Auckland New Zealand. Era binaka father Sevex kertono no squad. Kita kini wana butura bitokan ni bipa maruta kia bu ni anda boruta ngono boruta ki. And ouch. Palangi Show.
Good morning to all the taxi drivers. Want to say good morning to the Tambaloki Transfers and Tours. Binabale usara bikim dikit sarna kena balisilesi bituranga manindia. Bituranga naita bata bituranga presidente binabale usara. Kena turanga na director Mr. Tambaloki aka Tom Osborne malombula binabale usara na sema mai ana matakan kono mambulo tultunga
Tom Cruise Osborne.
Iyo,
Tom Cruise Osborne.
Tom Cruise Osborne na lelo. Bituranga naita usinto rocho na dana. Nangay tarme mamula na dana. Lolo mama mimi sartu mai demis.
Binabale usara.
Turanga na karasa.
What koro sa may itilip?
Nanronga.
Show.
Mucho dola bina. Ko ada bale munriu.
Iyon riu.
May kaboro bi mama.
Ha.
Right. Wano ni bina katani turanga naita bat kay randini bale o basu. Maramani motukana mai onailau. Kero bos mata talchunga inukuni onailau na mai anartu yani. Iyo wano ni bina katani na bukuning karabi tabi na mataka vinaka ni.
Sa masarati ko na obasu mai obasu jeda timbiu.
Iyo bondo.
Do talaga na basu tambana ni wai.
Right.
Do talaga na basu. Binabalik sa ramik sa bis nganan rungi balu.
Right.
Kumar and Rabinaka and also to Singatoka Mbararabeli this morning.
Donu Rabinaka.
Bila bikin ni kada doni talno sa basi kamingo about the Kumelo Lombu.
Iyo.
After the function on Saturday evening, from the arena, they went to drop Eleanor in Nassau. Police barrack.
Right.
Korongonyo Tomerushi.
Right.
He's drinking grog with his momo.
Eleanor's husband.
Right. With Mr. Ndomoni.
Right.
And the Messi was inside the car. When the car salikele ni Nassau sa kadi mayo Tomerushi.
Right.
The Messi was
right.
And the Messi disappear.
Underneath the driver's seat.
Atama ko sa tiko
Underneath the driver's seat. The fella went down underneath the driver's seat.
Na nimbasa.
Usapago, garo nandina no mon driver dio kemunin na sibichi seda na peddling raya.
So when the fella when Tamerushi calling, you know the time we finished from walking, It's after working hours.
Right.
And I was like this.
And you are free.
You're free.
Yeah, I'm free. But I told this fella, ketu sangkay nanum ito sa bukin to nalawak. Because these two, they are father-in-law, they're on us Vitambuki. We don't go there because let them talk. It's their story time.
He told me yesterday that the driver got off the car, off the engine, and wanted to join them.
But
as he was inviting you guys to enter his house, and he said, only this Messi, for them to go. I told him, you tell him, go to the main road, look for the taxi.
We was there inside the car. He was coming. He was looking for the one and only.
Oh.
Kaban.
Huh?
No company.
Yeah.
Sabang kari taman relief ngamo kay sawaka irto mi sawakasa.
Yeah.
And the fellow was like this. Where's taman relief?
Yeah.
Abang ko isa yalo binaka oya usini me watin. You call him. Yeah. And the fellow left. I said, Tamirusi, one day we will come because today it's we want to go home.
No, I'm worried about the Bernardinga.
Because tomorrow is Sunday. We want to go to church.
Right.
We finish from here. We then to the up above.
Yeah.
But you mo buni siya nga.
So ni mo buni ba?
He said, Bunny.
Well, talo kito ronga da because you disappear.
Awa mo taro ka man do de talanoa.
Orto talo sa
Talo no, sarang at Tamirus.
Alright. Ya Tamirus balita nanumukan dia kana buni. Barto ka tunga melo mani balik. Kaya kaway tagi undi na kaya somo may memori dia lo menlur.
Turo ka nintu ay no sigil silo longgori ko sigil silo.
Siya nga sino ba sigil tiro bula.
Sige, litro lo. Ko ga sige sila.
Bula. Sabi siya.
Turo ka to na sigil silo lo umbit to sigil silo bula.
Eta wala mo Andrew China.
Sangka itu ane paroli.
Remember the Messi in the police compound.
Yeah. And the police
You
compound.
go nga there, handcuff.
Discipline.
Handcuff me mau. I was there. I was like this. Tamirus one day will come. We will come here, but not here. Better meet at the Kafaba.
No.
Yeah.
You go there because hard. You will be like hard for you to
Step.
step.
Siya nga, binakati ko kumanda na step.
And that night, that same night, all of us, we were there. During the Saturday.
Yeah.
And that night,
Yeah.
I went to Lulum.
Oh yeah, after
1 o'clock in the morning. 12 to 1.
Why you come to the place?
I want to visit you, my brother.
This one finished from Masindilo. Sama Masindilo Diko from from where?
Narere.
Not Narere.
At the
This
road.
one from Omkar.
I don't know the road. Makita road.
How come
Yeah.
the van, the carriage, these people coming there? I was like to Masindilo.
Okay.
Yeah, that okay.
Yeah.
And Masindilo was calling. Did Mika arrive there? I was like, what time?
Yeah.
He reached here 1. Oh, the fella leave from here at 10 o'clock.
Hey.
Ah.
10, 11.
10 o'clock we finish from the ground.
Hey,
From the ground,
Yeah.
myself to Masindilo,
Yeah.
just few bowls, and then I came to Lulumbu. When I came to Lulumbu,
Yeah.
the Toki Lulumbu disappeared.
I want to someone there.
He's playing one game of disappear.
Please, the Messi.
Yeah.
Please appear.
Yeah.
No, because was yesterday and this welcome. Myself was very cold. I told those of us that ngunutok nga.
Yeah.
Salin doon.
Okay.
Nagulis to nga when I came back from the arena.
Yeah.
I came back, I sleep. When I sleep, they stole in the morning. Hey, Mika, come here.
Yeah.
Kaya, why you? Allow the devil come here. To sabi na la riba.
Hey.
And the boys now, they are doing Garakato.
Yeah, Garakato.
From Western, from Ba. Thank
Hey,
you very much. Lovely.
See, the weather in Ba is great this morning.
Right.
Iyo, wana na butunan raki may Ba, wana na bikin sara nan daw musundobu.
Yeah.
And ken ebalad siguro na misini ni vi kaiso membala tanon tamatili tuli mo biti. Wo sibi na takataka rautsikin ng bulan ibu pala de bising toto sardo siya matsuko may kada memba. Baka nun binaka na buri musundobu and singo binaka kwa.
And also to all the Ganakato.
Right.
Yeah.
Without them, without the machine,
No sugar.
without them, there is no sugar
Right.
to us. Some
No
of us,
sweetness.
we need sugar in our body.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Sugar play a major role in our life.
That's why people, they invite you. You the sugar.
The
Dina, Sarah.
sugar, the sugar daddy.
Yeah.
Sometimes, when life is when your body start to weak,
Right.
Yeah.
you need a sugar.
Right.
You need something sweet
Yeah.
to envelope you
And wala po yung may okay bola.
to strong. Eh?
Sama ngaya lain duri matay sugar related.
Sugar related merlobot. Hey, thank you very much to Punjas, and especially today our band in the playground.
Right.
Today, from afternoon.
Yeah.
Right. Half past 7 to half past 8.
Yo, 7.
7:30. Oh,
Yeah.
7.
Is malumutong bukan na bukura.
Right.
Tomorrow is mbong nito okay.
Waran dua.
Lembang boy walo menasaw.
Yeah.
And Waikula,
The main one.
Becca,
Yeah.
Dorm na ka.
Katarina. we call ni matani singa Buketabua. They will be performing tomorrow night at Fiji Showcase.
Right.
What did you learn from the Fiji Showcase?
Oh, I learned to stay close to you.
All right. Julum.
Because what?
Yeah.
You're the sugar.
Sugar.
That's why when I came there at 12, the sugar is not there.
Yeah, because a salty is there. Ina volume.
Belum mereka Prakash Lalwati. Nunggu landlord sama sartungan ngomong Amerika.
Oi.
Iyo, sar tal tungan main nama takan ikua.
Saan sina?
Belum mereka Auntie, thank you so much for tuning in from.
TikTok tal tungo anti.
Mandua,
Qatar.
America. This man, Auntie reaches America.
Yeah.
Everything is American
Every
style.
platform open.
Mandua,
All right.
American style.
Auntie.
Yeah, Auntie,
Add another $500 to the bill.
what happened?
Add another $500 to the bill.
Thank you so much,
Salah
Auntie.
musuh na ibu.
Hey, belum mereka. Baru ni mereka tadi
Tamayura.
Tamayura.
Iyo.
Doan ramena kasem sarto yang kalau meni rumu ni kana ni FMF warehouse. Ketubutu nang unti pai.
Oi.
Baru ni mereka tuan ni Tamayura ngonga ayo.
Pai ba China.
Right. Gelo lam tuan ni turang na ita kona turang ni motkarasa.
Iya.
Baru ni mereka tuan ni buat na bukan karabita biar singa binak ni kuah.
Mil na dale, we mul bila kay nongu.
Iyo.
Nakabaliw.
Sasa lolo mo tu lubena lolo mo tu another lubena. Oh, Auntie.
Ya.
Binabali po auntie. Thank you
Right.
very much. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. Sorry.
Right.
Yeah. When you'll come back, auntie?
Oh, she'll come back maybe after 3 months.
After 3 months. Julum.
Iya.
Yeah.
Rosiningau lolo mo bitamay abu.
Oh, binabali po siningao.
Right.
Tako mo tinalolomong ko rin. Namaroroy.
Don benaka.
En na longitambo.
Wele.
Juro ko besu. Ako si Tawati. Yeah. See, people are watching still.
Wan rambul tani mi kemni binabali besar na siya mamay hena matakan ni ko Lotson batalaki na bay Lisbon boy.
Iyo.
Kalau ngata na bugni bitokan.
Iya. Kita sa raba.
Donu.
Panini